So, welcome back guys. I'm just gonna explain the process of what I did like 3 hours ago, but a little bit faster, cause yeah, I just recorded for 3 hours. First started with this note. I wanted to make like a very unique Jumpstyle song. That's also why the BPM is 120. So it kind of went like this. And I just started looping this like it's funk, but it's not, so you don't want this. So I just lengthened this note at the beginning, at the start. But I wasn't satisfied with that, so I started this trimming these notes first. I just started messing with like these notes, a little bit more up, a little bit more down. This is what I made from it. The melody is very nice because of the cut of notes. I did the same a little bit with the second half here. Crazy melody. Take 2. I just copied this, made this better and unique, and I just erased some notes. This is the intro. I think it's like perfectly the same. The melody is a little bit different in the intro. So it's very reverby, some endless smile I used. And the trick here is because I have cut notes. If you make this dry, that means without any reverb or echo, it will sound very tight. So like this. And I thought to myself, let's mix this with like a unique kick. For the people that have the kit, just go to edited kicks over here, and it's this kick. I chose this kick because it has a lot of bounce. Make sure your time knob is like set on this, on none. This is without effects. A EQ. And I added some kilohertz distortion. I messed a little bit with the drive, and I give it a lot of spread. If I turn this down, it's completely mono. If I turn this on, you instantly hear it like back in your ears if you have headphones on right now. So this is great. After this, I worked on some automations. Go to like your vital preset, and you can go to whatever knob you want to automate. Click this icon here. Turn every knob you want to get automated, and just right click this icon again and create automation clip. If you do that, this is just like a line of your knob. So if you turn this up, you will have a lot more reverb. If you turn it down, you don't have any reverb. We did the same with the delay. Endless Smile is also a reverb plugin that I used. Don't want to have any reverb in the first drop because I want to have it like very dry. After these automations, I worked on like the intro. I want to have I love this folder. It has like a lot of rare effects. So I almost always use this sample. I use this. Some ambience. Again, some Foley / texture. For the pre-drop, I've added some ambience at the beginning. So now we have that all combined. It sounds like this. I added some sword sound from YABUJIN's tag. Some giggle reverb. All sounds from our kit, by the way. So then I've started on some crashes. Like, I'm so frustrated this is not on film. I was listening to it, and like the idea of adding a clap in the second part sounded like perfect, and it was like precisely what I wanted. And now I lost that. What I literally did is like I was listening to it, and I imagined 2 claps here to give it a little bit more less repetitiveness. And what I also did is just copied the clap, put it a little bit after the impact, and slide it a little bit like this, and you like get this crazy effect, and it like syncs with the kick, so it sounds very good. This part is kind of done, but I've also added some last. I gave it a little bit of a delay too. So when I made this part, I was 1 hour in, and I took a break. What the fuck am I seeing, bro? What is my friend doing? I just copied the automations, put it here, and I was making the break. What I also did on the intro, I automated the stereo separation from the melody. This is the stereo knob. Create an automation clip. And what this does is, if you have it all the way like this and it's blue, your sound of your melody will be completely mono. You don't have any directional audio. the more you like go left and go to the orange side, your melody will be really open. I automated that, it will open up like immediately. So for the second drop I wanted to use a different kick. So I went to the edited kicks and I used this kick. Oh no, that's not kick. I used this kick. Obviously we're gonna use the melody again. So here we have the kicks that we used. We used this kick, it's very distorted. I used some kick rolls. And also I took one kick, I made it unique like this. I reversed it to use it like as a riser. It sounds like this. We've added some voices. Oh, and also this hi-hat. We've added some claps over here. The same impacts, the same like risers. Then we come to the second part. I got rid of the kicks here. I pitch shifted these kicks. And I also thought of some lasers. Thanks for watching guys, leave a like, leave a comment. This is the full song guys.